Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Again, making this video about the alarm. I made some changes, so let me just explain that. This is the alarm, right? CTS alarm 1. That's the one I sent out. So if I drag and drop this alarm on the chart, this window opens up, right? And it has a couple of options here. Long, if you want only short, then make this true, false, right? You can change it true or false. So if you don't want the short, just make it false, or if you don't want the long, only short, then make that one false. That's simple. Alarm is true here. That means that when you have a setup, the alarm will beep. Now, a lot of people complain that it beeps a lot of times and so fast that, it's annoying. So you can turn it off. Once it start beeping and you took the entry, you take the entry, and after that, you just simply make it, open it and make it false, right? So, for example, here, it's here right now, right? So you go here, click here, properties, expert advisor, and then simply turn this alarm off from here. So the EA will be there, but the alarm is off. So once you take the trade and you close the trade, you can turn it back on. Now, there's a message here. See, the alarm is on. If you turn it off, it will say on the chart that the alarm is off. So you would know that which chart has the alarm off, so you can always go back and turn it on, right? The changes that I made, and I'm going to send out, it will say the CTS alarm 2, okay? Currently, it is giving the alarm after the finishing of the reversal candle. And then one more candle, right? So, but this alarm, the new one, it will be before, a little bit before, a couple of candles before, so that you have enough time to get to the chart and be ready. Once you see the reversal candle and a trigger candle, then you can open the trade. In the meantime, you can also watch the 40-minute chart where it stands, the weekly chart, my analysis and my suggestion that, okay, this pair is going to go down. So if you have a short on, on 20-minute chart, the alarm is beeping. So you come back here, and then on the computer you see that 40-minute chart or a weekly chart showing the direction to the downside. Then you are confident that okay, this thing is gonna it's gonna go. It's a good one, so you can take the trade. And basically now this last thing is the distance. I'm gonna leave it open. And in time, I'll post on the Telegram that what you need to be doing on which pair. For example, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, they have a big, huge range, daily range, and they are far away from this red line usually, and then it still gives you the good trade, right? So the idea is that, for example, like Euro USD or NUSI USD, you cannot have this 70. You can only have like 30 to 40. You want this yellow line close to the red line, and then you can take the entries. Not like this. This is too much, right? But Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, yes. Even if this is, like even 80, you can still take the trade. Let me just show you that what happened in Pound Aussie today. Let's see where the heck it is. Quickly show you that I missed it. I missed it, to be honest with you. But this was the trade yesterday, and this is today. So what happened here? Here, I didn't have it on, and I wasn't watching. But here, what happened is that when the alarm started beeping, I have it for 70, and you see the distance? It is 76. So I lost it. I mean, the alarm wasn't there, so I didn't take it. Right? I want to be by the rules. Otherwise, if I had it 80, then it will have it. It will beep here, and then I'll take the trade. And this is how much from here to here so far? The 67 pip, right? Easy peasy. But that's how it is. So I left that alarm, that thing open here, so that we can. Some pairs we can have it 50, some 60, some 70, which are moving faster. We can have it, a higher number here, right? I hope you understand that. And what else I have to tell you? Yeah, by the way, this is the alarm that gave me yesterday. I was testing it. So yesterday I got this one, Aussie yen, beautiful trade, right? And I was like opened a little bit late after like 3 blue candles. I opened it because there was no blue candle here and it came down all the way to red line. So kind of like a little bit shaky, but still yen was weak. So it went up all the way to 65 pip. And today, this is the one I lost 10 or 15 pip here on this entry, which I posted on the Telegram, by the way. But then I took this one and then came out with 75. So minus 15 is 60 pip on this one here as well. Let me show you the Telegram. I posted here, EJ and GJ about to make a short setup, right? So when they were making a short setup and I took it and it went down a little bit, moved my SL a little bit, then got knocked out of 15 or 16 pip, to be honest with you, right? And after that, this is how it is. So it is, pretty good, and it is giving like a precise entries, very, very good entries. All right, so stick to that, and again, take out the CD1 and then place the new one that I was just giving you, CTS alarm 2. All right, and if any question, just email me, myforexmagicwave@gmail.com. I hope everything is clear. And let's do it, and let's hit the market. I don't have any more trades to show because I'm, testing, so I don't want to be spreading myself too much. Just taking 1 or 2 trades at a time just to see that first alarm is giving me a good entries and good trades. And after that, hopefully I'll open up a whole new MT4 and open all the 20-minute charts and then put my thing on all of them and then do it from there. All right. So this is it for now. Let me see if I was recording or not. Yeah, I was recording. So, okay. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. Stop recording.